We're all loaded up. Hi, Ramen.
Non-working Larry here.
True. First time, I think, in a long set of videos that you haven't been working.
Very long time.
Well, I am shipping out a box right now, and Ramon and I are going on a little road trip because he's got the week off, I guess. He has nothing better to do, so instead of waiting for people to have free time like Doge or something, but I don't know, he decided to go on a road trip today. And I don't even know where we're going. Oatmeal, Oatville. Oatman.
Gonna go see some donkeys and some curvy roads.
Yeah, so it's like 4-hour drive one way. So we're practically hitting the Nevada border, it looks like. So we're gonna drop this package off really quick to a subscriber that bought a brace and yeah, have a road trip day. Almost $4 a gallon.
So we out in the middle of nowhere.
These California prices. Highway robbery. I don't even know where we are.
We're in the middle of it now. This is, I think it's Kearney or Kearney, something like that.
There's a cafe.
Let's go over there. Packaged liquors and cocktails. Looks like a reputable establishment.
Yeah.
Clean up the puke in their corner.
How do you know it's puke?
I don't know.
We're back on the road. Back on the road to Goat Town. Goat Town. Oats and goats. Goats and hoes.
Goats and hoes.
This road is freaking dope. Wish I had my car, but we just came out here to scout it in the first place. But we just found a staircase, like a rock staircase that goes like up into the cliff. So we're gonna go check it out real quick.
You call it a stairway to heaven.
Stairway to donkey heaven. There's donkeys everywhere. There's donkey poop all over the place. Oh, I smell your brakes. Nice and crispy.
Should I leave the e-brake down?
Yeah. You know what? Yeah, we thought the same.
Pissy.
Oh, that's nasty. There's like bees all up in there. Oh, boy. Well, I think I pretty much got to the top myself. It's a little sketchy just because it's still the end of summer. Gotta watch out for snakes and stuff. And all these cactuses. This is really cool. Oh wow. I approve. This is cool. made it to Oatman. Oh, look at Bunny.
We're going to Outlaw Willie's.
Are we really?
No.
Oh.
It sounds cool though.
There's actual donkeys.
He doesn't want us to go.
He's not a happy. He's like, no.
I don't know what to do with this. I was trying to turn left and he went left. Hey, buddy. Hey. I don't.
Give him a pat.
I'm good. I'm good. I don't want you slobbering on my car.
Chicken.
Nothing personal.
Okay, he's coming straight for us. Hi. Hello. Are you a nice donkey? Oh. He don't want none.
He said, you ain't shit.
Okay.
Good, I ain't never heard of your YouTube channel.
Farewell. Good talk. It's your girl.
This is your woman. You're the one zooming in. I see you.
Just so that people can read.
For you for later in your secret stash.
That was a dope little town. Saw all of the 7 buildings that were here and the 20 donkeys. But onward and wayward. There's donkeys coming back from round 2. Slowly but surely. He's like Jason. Or who is it? Is it Jason? The guy that chases you with a machete? I can't think of his name.
That's Jason.
Yeah, Jason.
Oh, and Halloween.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Myers.
Yeah, Michael Myers. He's like Michael Myers. He's just going to be chasing us forever. No matter how far away we run or drive. He's just going to be in the distance. Just forever coming.
Throw me your wallet.
See, there he is. He ain't scared by the exhaust either. What's up? Farewell. Let me give you a pat. There you go. Farewell. Okay. Bye-bye. Good talk.
Oh, you don't want none of your shit.
Oh, I think you do. Excuse me, sir. Sorry. Startled you. Bye. Farewell.
Wait before he kicks the car.
Clutch being like centered is weird.
I'm driving a supercar.
just went and got some dinner before the road trip home at some place called Barley Brothers out here in Havasu. This place is really dope. We got a window seat, so it's like next to this river and everything. But
London Bridge, no big deal.
yeah. So now we're just gonna gas up, head home, and call it a day. It's been a long day, but a fun day. Well guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. It was really fun to get out and just take a day in the NSX. It was kind of definitely an impromptu thing. And right now I'm covered in dirt because I'm filming this outro 2 days later, and I just got done making some braces on the Integra. But if you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. I know some of you guys like these more chilled back, vloggy, cinema style-ish videos. But yeah, so if you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments down below. If you're new to the channel, hopefully you've considered subscribing by now. And don't forget guys, I do have a Patreon. If you want to help support the channel, go sign up for that. I still have a bunch of Miata stickers, so we got a bunch of these. I'm working on some new stickers right now. So we'll see what we can do. But anyways guys, do what you love, forget about the rest, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.